Okay, here we go. We're going to do one box of 2015 Leaf Wrestling autographed 8x10s. Draft. Random draft. Here we go. Odd on the top, even at the bottom, and same for the draw. It's going to be three times. Odd, even. So we'll do the top. Odd. Alright, Red Nation, Boba Pat, Irving 77, State of Hockey, and Looney Kiss. 3 times on the randomizer. 1, 2, 3. State of Hockey, Red Nation, Looney Kiss, myself, and Boba Pat. State of Hockey still here? I'm sorry, Patrick. Alright, here we go. Bang my ears. Good luck. State of Hockey, Red Nation, and Looney Kiss. That's myself and then Patrick. Numero uno is got long hair. Is this Trish? Oh, Charmel. I don't remember Charmel at all. But Charmel. Booker T's wife? Ah, I gotcha. Seen this one before. Akeem the Dream. P Doubles, shout out to P Doubles right there. Next, we've got, who's that? Ivan Putski. There it is. Ivan Putski. Fighting the Iron Sheik in that one. In that photo right there. Fighting the Iron Sheik. I can tell by the shoes. Fighting me. Nice! Oye Chico! Oye Chico. The bad guy, Scott Hall. And we've got the Russians, Ivan and Nikita Koloff. Uzi Machismo. That was the draft. State of Hockey first, and Red Nation, Looney Kiss, and myself and Patrick. Mike's been hiding, dude.